Dr. Coletti, Baywest Health Rehab. We have Alexander here in our office who's been a patient of mine, though we haven't seen him in almost 5 years, but he came up from our old Clearwater office up here to Port Richey today complaining of a lot of neck pain for 2 weeks and some headaches. He's a very physical man. So today we are going to perform a Manipuflex procedure and open up that upper cervical spine and let him go on back down to Clearwater and pain-free. So first things first, we just did some flexion distraction, opening up the discs in the low back. I always like to clear up the pelvis, so we're going to stretch him out a little bit. As we clear up and open up the pelvis a little bit, it helps everything above that. Stay in line. Relax, 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 relax. Loose, 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 loose. All the way. That's not tender at all, is it, Alexander? Liar. That's okay though. Breathe, let it fall for me. Okay. I'm gonna lower that a little bit. I want you to look it up to the moon for me all the way. This arm all the way over. Let this relax. There we go. Feel a little tight there? Loose. And over. Breathe. All the way for me. Let it fall. All the way. Breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Good. Other side up. Is that okay? Yeah. Good. And relax. Good. And I want you to breathe all the way. Breathe. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Let it go. Good. On your back. Legs all the way down. Your hands. Scooch up. Cross your arms. Big hug. You deserve it. And tuck your chin for me. Breathe in. Hold your breath. 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 And let it out. Head back all the way. Good. And a little more. Breathe out. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Good. All right. Now I'm going to ask you to lay all the way back. And we're going to lift your legs. Bring those under. Okay. Take your hands and fold them over your chest for a second. Okay. And I'm going to strap you in. How did that part go so far, Alexander? Good? Have you ever been on camera to over 100,000 people? No. Aren't you excited?
Yep.
Relax, loose, loose. This is not supposed to tickle. It's supposed to be tight, tight, tight. You feel it?
Yeah.
See, he's not going anywhere. Hands, tuck them under your bottom for me. Go ahead, tuck them all the way under. That lets your shoulders just sink, okay? Relax. All the way, okay. Now we are going to grab
Yeah.
I'll let it cool off. How's that? Okay. And relax. All right. And you're just going to loosey-goose for me, okay? Breathe in all the way and exhale. Okay. Relax. Let me lower this a little bit. Breathe in all the way and let it go. All the way. Good. Oh, I think that's a Yahtzee call. Give me a thumbs up. How's that feel? Surprised you, didn't it?
Yeah.
That's going to open up, get rid of his neck pain, upper stiffness, soreness. Alexander, Dr. Coletti, Baywest, we are out.